Hi, vacation rental owner or manager. Would you like a designer's take on how to choose durable furniture for your STR? Listen in, and I'll share how to do that so you save time, money, and countless headaches. Hello, and welcome to Step Up Your STR, where we use specialized decor so your STR makes maximum revenue. I'm Cara Shimizu. One of my main tenets is that how much or how little revenue you earn directly correlates with how good or how bad your decor is. Choosing the right furniture isn't just about looks, it's about ensuring that your space is durable, functional, long lasting, and maximizes your investment. Let's start with something that can be a total game changer for your rental: performance fabrics. In a high traffic space like a vacation rental, spills and stains are bound to happen. And that's why I always recommend performance fabrics, which are designed to be both durable and easy to clean. And nowadays, technology has come so far that these fabrics feel soft and like a natural textile, not synthetic. They're amazing. So when you're shopping for like upholstered furniture, look for fabrics labeled as performance or stain resistant. These are materials, they're like some of the brand names are Sunbrella, Krypton, Revolution, and they're treated to resist stains and water and even UV rays, which is great if you have outdoor furniture. So not only are these fabrics really durable, but many of them are also bleach cleanable. So you never have to worry about guests spilling a glass of red wine. It's easy to clean and they stay looking like new. I own a sofa made of microfiber and it's 12 years old and it still looks and feels good. Remember, bad decorating costs as much as or more than good decorating. Choosing quality materials like performance fabrics usually is not more expensive. It just takes a little upfront research, but it will save you time and money from replacing items frequently, and it'll keep your rental looking great for a lot longer. Next, a common pitfall I see with STR owners is choosing textiles that contain acrylic. Here's the problem. Acrylic fibers pill, meaning that after a few washes or just regular use, you'll start to see those little fabric balls forming and they just build up. And that's a telltale sign of poor quality. It shows wear and tear, and it makes your furniture look old way before its time. So look at fabric content when you're buying a piece of furniture and avoid acrylic like the plague. So choose fabrics made of polyester, nylon, olefin, or a blend of those with a natural fabric or a natural textile like cotton or wool. These will wear much better over time and help keep your space looking fresh for a long time, relatively long time. Because if you avoid acrylic, that's a small tweak, and it might take a little time to research what to purchase because acrylic is very prevalent in inexpensive textiles, but it makes a huge difference in how durable your furniture will be. The fabrics you choose should be able to handle guest after guest without showing much sign of use. Next up, let's talk about bed frames. Specifically, what makes a bed frame durable enough for a rental? Beds are one of the most used pieces of furniture in any short-term rental, so they need to be strong. When looking for a bed frame, avoid those that have only a few slats across the base. When I say the base, that means the part where the mattress lays on top. These types of frames are not designed to handle the weight of a mattress plus guests night after night. A bed frame with multiple slats, on the other hand, or even better, a solid platform bed, that's essential for providing the kind of long-lasting support that you need. Frames made of metal or hardwood versus a softwood like pine. So metal or hardwood are generally the most durable. And here's a pro tip. Consider beds that come with a central support beam that runs the length of the bed. This is especially important for queen and king-sized beds where more weight has to be distributed. And after all, bad design isn't just about how something looks, it's definitely about how well it works. Next, metal framed furniture. Let's talk about that. Chairs, tables, and even beds made with metal frames can add another layer of durability to your vacation rental. Metal furniture tends to last longer and withstand heavy use better than some wooden options, especially if you're buying budget-friendly pieces. So if you come across a bed or, a chair, a chaise lounge, and you're not sure, go ahead and opt for the metal frame inside. It'll probably do you well. Whether it's that dining set, a lounge chair, metal frames, they do give you peace of mind that your furniture won't break under pressure, especially in a rental where different guests will use it daily. Plus, metal framed furniture often has that modern, sleek look to elevate the aesthetic of your space. Next, solid wood furniture. All right, we mentioned wood versus metal, and while metal frames are great for durability, nothing quite compares to the look and feel of real wood furniture. But not all wood furniture is created equally, especially when it comes to long-term use in a rental. The key here is in how the furniture is put together. You'll want to look for pieces with joints, so like where the wood pieces meet. Those joints should be dovetail, tongue and groove, or mortise and tenon. Those are the three that are kind of the gold standard that are really strong joints and way, way more durable than furniture that's simply glued or stapled together. So avoid anything where you can see visible nails, staples, or glue. Those pieces just are not going to last. The downside, of course, is that high-quality wood furnishings can be expensive. But I have another pro tip. Look for used pieces on Facebook Marketplace or other secondhand sites. You can find beautiful solid wood furniture that just needs a little TLC to bring it back to life. Buying secondhand gives you good quality without the hefty price tag. It's worth looking into. And as I always say, a beautiful space can include items you already own or that you can find secondhand. Quality doesn't always have to cost a lot of money. Okay, to wrap things up, here are some quick final tips. As often as possible, opt for performance fabrics to keep your furniture looking fresh despite the inevitable wear and tear. Stay away from acrylic in your textiles. It will pill and wear down too quickly. Choose bed frames with multiple slats under the mattress or a solid base, and look for additional support like a central beam that runs the length of the bed. Go for metal frames if you're unsure for that extra durability. And when choosing wood furniture, focus on pieces with strong joints, dovetail, mortise and tenon, and don't hesitate to buy those secondhand. At the end of the day, this complicated process of interior design can be made easier on you if you know what to look for. That's why I'm here. I want to make this easier for you. The key to long-lasting furniture in a vacation rental is all about making smart, durable choices and do it as much as you can from the very beginning, because these are investments that will pay off over time by reducing replacement costs and keeping your rental looking new. And that will ensure that your guests always enjoy a beautiful, comfortable stay, resulting in 5-star reviews. Thanks for joining me on today's episode of Step Up Your STR. I hope these tips help you choose the right furniture to make your STR look amazing and functioning well for years to come. Investing in durability is investing in your rental's long-term success. If you have found value from this episode, please do leave a review so that other rental owners and managers can find this show. Thank you, and I look forward to talking again next time.